This is our indoor monitor. From the indoor monitor, you can monitor the outside video, active talk, remote unlock, hand up. Also, we have different ringtone for your applications. First, push the intercom button 2 times, unlock 1 time, and you will hear the ringtone. Press the unlock button to generate different ringtone. Select the one you like and press this button to confirm the setting. Now let's test it. This is for the indoor monitor running. Hand up. Also, at the back of this indoor monitor, we have a port for the alarm input. So, when your alarm is active, our indoor monitor will also running up. This is the basic functions of our indoor monitor.